welcome to LaxmiYoutube channel. Today I am sharing spicy buttermilk. This will be very tasty and also spicy. Now we'll see how to make this buttermilk. Take a blender and add green chilli. If you don't like too spicy, you can also add half green chilli. I like spicy, so I am adding 1 green chilli, 4 to 5 mint leaves, coriander leaves, half tablespoon of cumin powder, quarter chopped onion. Now add curd. Here I am adding 3 tablespoons of curd, thick curd. You can also add ice cubes, it's optional, and blend it into fine smoothie. You can see here I have blended all the ingredients well. Now pour into the glass and add water and mix well. Finally add half lemon. Now the spicy buttermilk is ready. This will be very tasty. Spicy lovers will love this spicy buttermilk. Do try this simple spicy buttermilk. And if you like this video, hit the like button. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel. Do share and comment on my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.